Perched on the edge of a cliff overlooking the beach, this brightly painted Shake Shack has been serving hungry customers traveling the Pacific Coast Highway since the 1940s. I was on a mission to try one of their shakes.
Hi, welcome to the Shake Shack. How may I help you?
So like one date shake?
One day shake? Order 120 date shake. Your order's ready.
I've ordered one of their iconic shakes, the date shake.
Later, I caught up with the manager, who told me more about the new menu.
We've got some great sandwiches, sweet potato French fries, regular French fries, 4 great burgers, and 15 or 16 excellent shakes. The famous shake for the Shake Shack is the date shake. It is locally grown dates. Our shakes are prepared with whole ingredients. They are all natural. The 50s and 60s, we've refined recipes. We offer the best shake in town, I guarantee it. The menu's been expanded to include hamburgers. We're offering the Double Deluxe burger. We have a turkey patty that goes with that as well. We have a Go Fit burger. All of our cheeses are gluten-free, so we add a gluten-free bun to that, and it's a great option for our gluten-free clientele. Background on the property we're at here today is it's included in California State Park, Crystal Cove State Park. It was originally built in the 40s, so it's been trafficked by locals since the 1940s. It's changed hands several times, and Ruby's acquired it like 5 years ago and has embraced the culture. We have a lot of local clientele that have been waiting for this to reopen, so diehard fans that are returning to see the expanded menu and the same great service that we've always provided here. But we invite you down all summer long to check out the new fare at the Shake Shack. The multi-million-dollar view you get to enjoy for the price of a burger. It's open to the public, so come on down.
For Round and About Orange County News, Linda Ivanoff in Crystal Cove.